Hello friends, today we are going to solve an integration, very complicated integration using gamma function. This is our integration, so we will solve this integration gamma function. This question came to the CSIR NET 2022. So by discussing this question, we will discuss a little bit concept about gamma function and how we can solve an integration using a property of gamma function. So let's start the discussion. So first of all, to solve this integration, the very important theory, first of all you have to know about the important integral property, that is, if an integration is such that integration 0 to infinity x to the power m e to the power minus ax to the power n dx, if it is given, then the integration result will be 1 by n gamma of m plus 1 by n divided by a to the power m plus 1 by n. So to solve that integration, this much property you have to remember. You have to know this property. 1 by n gamma of m plus 1 by n divided by a to the power m plus 1 by n. So let's start solving that integration. So what was that integration? Integration was 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power 2m. So this was the integration. So we can write this integration as a format 1 into multiplied form, because what we can write 1, we have to bring that same pattern, x to the power m e to the power minus ax to the power m. So we can write 1 as x to the power 0 e to the power minus x to the power 2m, sorry, here dx will be there, dx. Okay, now what was that formula? Integration 0 to infinity x to the power m e to the power minus x to the power n dx 1 by n gamma m plus 1 by n a to the power m plus 1 by n. So this was the formula. Now just I'm changing the pen color so that you can easily understand the difference. So now compare it. X to the power m, here m will be 0, e to the power minus x to the power n. So n value here it will be similar as 2 to the power n. So here we will put these values, n values, in this integration. So we can write here I am rubbing this portion, m value 0, n value 2m. I am rubbing this portion so that you can relate with the property and you can solve easily. So if m is 0, so and n is 2m, so n is 2m means 1 by n. What we can write 1 by n? We can write 1 by n as 1 by 2m, and gamma of 0 plus m equals 0 we are getting by comparing that 0 plus 1 by 2m m plus 1 by n divided by, here a was what, e to the power minus x to the power 2n was there, so a value was 1. You can just, so comparing that a value was 1, so you can write 1 to the power 0 plus 1 by 2m. So 1 to the power 1, what will be that? That is anything. That 1 to the power anything equals 1. So we can write the integration result as integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power 2m dx equals 1 by 2m gamma of 1 by 2m. Now a very important result of gamma function you have to know. Gamma of n plus 1, it can be written as n gamma n. This much of important result you have to know. So if you relate this result to it, so n is here 1 by 2m and gamma m is here 1 by 2m. So what we can write here, 1 by m gamma 1 by 2m, it can be written as gamma 1 plus 1 by 2m, so that we can write 2m plus 1. So what is the integration result? So integration result of 0 to infinity e to the power minus ax to the power 2m dx. The integration result will be gamma 2m plus 1 divided by 2m. So that is it for today. This question has come to the CSIR NET 2022 under physical science section. So from discussion of this question, I hope you come to know some important properties of gamma function. So thanks for today. Bye.